Welcome back, viewers. We might have heard about a celebration or festival called Halloween, also about its ghostic things and celebration ideas. But have you ever thought of how they were originated at first? What about their origin? What's the real story behind it? Now let's explore. Now let's see about Halloween first. Halloween is a holiday celebrated each year on October 31st. The tradition originated with the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, when people could light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off ghosts. In 8th century, Pope Gregory III designated November 1 as a time to honor All Saints. Soon, All Saints' Day incorporated some of the traditions of Samhain. The evening before was known as All Hallows' Eve and later as Halloween. Over time, Halloween evolved into a day of activities like trick or treating, carving jack-o'-lanterns, festive gatherings, donning costumes, and eating treats. Yes, now let's see about the ancient origin of Halloween. Halloween's origin dates back to ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. The Celts, who lived 2000 years ago mostly in the area that is now called as Ireland, the United Kingdom, and the northern France, celebrated their new year on November 1st. This day marked the end of summer and the harvest and the beginning of the dark cold winter, a time of year that was often associated with human death. Celts believed that on the night before the new year, the boundary between the worlds of the living and the dead became blurred. On the night of October 31st, they celebrated Samhain, when it was believed that the ghosts of death returned to earth. In addition to causing trouble and damaging crops, Celts thought that the presence of other worldly spirits made it easier for the druids or Celtic priests to make predictions about the future, for people entirely dependent on the volatile natural world. These prophecies were an important source of comfort during the long dark winter. To commemorate the event, druids built huge sacred bonfires where the people gathered to burn crops and animals as sacrifices to the Celtic deities. During the celebration, the Celts wore costumes typically consisting of animal heads and skins and attempted to tell each other's fortunes. When the celebration was over, they relit their hearth fires, which they had extinguished earlier that evening, from the sacred bonfire to help protect them during the coming winter. This is how Halloween originated at early years. Also, this is now celebrated as a huge festival in many places worldwide. We hope that you enjoyed this video and known some amazing information about the real origin of Halloween. Also, share this video with your friends to share this amazing information with them. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.